So guys, I picked up my iPhone 13 Pro and I'm super excited to try out the cinematic mode that comes with this phone. It was one of the main new features about the iPhone 13 Pro, and these cameras are definitely a lot bigger than my iPhone 11 Pro. A huge upgrade from what I've seen so far, but in this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shoot some footage here in my backyard in cinematic mode, then take those, put them in Final Cut Pro, edit them, and then I'm gonna go over my thoughts about cinematic mode and how well it actually works. But let's jump right into it. Before we get started with the video though, I wanna tell you guys real quick about our sponsor, TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that'll help you grow your YouTube channel. It's what I've been using to grow my YouTube channel, and it's worked very well for me. If you'd like to give it a try, definitely click my link in the description below to try it for free. But let's jump into the video. So first thing I'm gonna do, like I said in the beginning, is I'm gonna go around my backyard and just shoot some cinematic shots. Then after, we're gonna head inside to Final Cut Pro, where I'm gonna edit cinematic footage from cinematic mode, and then I'm gonna let you guys know my thoughts about it. Let's jump into it. So that was the video footage in cinematic mode, which looked pretty good. It was all handheld, so that's why there might have been some shakiness, but the iPhone definitely did make up for that. The iPhone has a built-in stabilizing feature, so that definitely did help with that. Now, all that video footage was taken in 1080p full HD, so not 4K, and from what I'm seeing here, there is no way to change that to 4K. So I think cinematic mode is just 1080p. It also says Dolby Vision, so it has that. And to be honest with you, I'm not 100% sure what Dolby Vision is, but Apple did just release a software update for iOS 15.1, which now allows you to shoot video in ProRes. So that is really, really cool. I do think that the video taken in cinematic mode was done with ProRes as well, because in Final Cut Pro, I was able to play with the brightness and things that I wouldn't normally be able to play with when taking regular video. So ProRes is kind of like a raw photo, but the video version. So you have so much control in post-production. Now, I did have my phone with me when I was at the Scottsdale quarter. I just had this update on my phone, so I decided to open up the camera and take some video footage in 4K with ProRes in the regular camera. I used the wide angle lens, the regular telephoto lens, and I don't believe I used the zoom lens at all. So in the example that you're about to see, just so you're aware, it is just the regular lens and the wide angle lens, but check it out, it looks pretty nice. So those were the clips taken with the regular camera in the regular video mode with ProRes activated. Very impressive for an iPhone, and all of the clips that you saw were handheld because I don't own a mobile gimbal like the DJI Osmo, but I definitely do want to pick one of those up after trying out the video on this phone and actually putting this phone to the test and doing some professional work with it. Plus, with the 13, you get these much bigger lenses like I talked about earlier. So overall, I'm just noticing a huge improvement when it comes to video. I do think that cinematic mode needs to be cleaned up a little bit. You can obviously tell that things are done with software versus with an actual lens. So there definitely is room for improvement, but I think over time it's going to get much, much better. But anyway, guys, I'm curious to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this video footage, and also let me know if you have the iPhone 13 Let me know what you think of it, all of that. I love reading comments, so I appreciate every single one of you that leaves them. And if you enjoyed today's video, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos. And also, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button because that will help this video rank higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.